Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a little walk around video today. No cold start. It's an 02 Toyota 4Runner SR5 that we're going to be putting up for sale today here. That's a nice little old Toyota. It's got right around 200,000 miles. A little bit of lift and tire combo going on, but besides that, it's a bone stock truck. It's been running today. We haven't driven it, but I've had it out for pictures and stuff, so we're going to be giving it a mild cold start and looking over it initially. This driver's seat's in phenomenal shape. No rips or tears or anything. It looks brand new, actually. Armrest got a little roughage on it. Passenger seat, a little bit of wear and tear, but pretty common for, you know, an 02. What are we dealing with here? Coming up on 18 years old. Close. 198,879 on the miles. Truck fires up, runs and drives amazing. We did a full service on this bad boy. Valve cover gaskets, suspension, tires, alignment, just about anything you can imagine it got done on here. So it's got great options. It's got a sunroof, which is really nice. You got your sunglass holder up here. Make sure that sunroof works, which it does. And it's not leaking either. We're raining today. As you can tell, it's a little wet and gross outside, but power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and it does have the infamous rear drop down power window that works, no problem. We've got a Bluetooth, USB, iPod, Kenwood head unit. It's really nice. You can stream your phone Pandora through it. Ice cold AC, and it does have the desirable e-locker option, which is the electronic locking rear differential, which is what that button is right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it on the inside here. I mean, all in all, this is a great little 4Runner. Runs and drives strong. We gave it a full service. Had a little valve cover leak when we got it, so we replaced both valve covers. And yeah, let's get out and take a look under the hood and kind of walk around though, so you can get a see for yourself. Make sure I got the doors unlocked. Yep. Nothing fancy under the hood. You know, we don't clean them up too much. We just like to send them out so you can see what's going on with it. Has some service written on the box there, some brakes and stuff. We did the brakes again. We did valve cover gaskets on both sides. You see a little residual, but they are not leaking anymore. We've done them and checked. All in all, this is a straight 4Runner. There's hardly any rust on it, and we're going to be going through the bottom side because I know Toyota guys like to see what that frame and underside looks like. Hardly any damage, hardly any dings and dents. The worst thing you're going to have to get past on this truck is going to be some rock chips. I mean, it's 200,000 miles old. You know, it's got close to 20 years on the road. Not quite, but close. So expect normal little rock dents and chips and stuff like that. But everything else, as far as cosmetic, accident, rust, damage, I don't see a whole lot to go over with you. Leveling kit, first thing we did is a 2-inch leveling kit. It's just a pretty simple little spacer right there on the top of the strut. And then we did some 305 70/16s. Brand new amp tires. They look like the BFG style, and they have a 60,000 mile tread warranty. So you have got rubber for days and you're covered. Nice set of tires. I run them on my Suburban over there. Put about 16,000 miles on my set. They haven't even started to show any wear yet. Super clean on this driver's side. Not a whole lot to point out. I think that's just some residue right there from the wax. A little dirt. Maybe some chip guard down there. It is the SR5 model. You do have normal touch-up little scuffs. I don't even know if the camera's picking that up. Just some little touch-up scuff spots. Nothing terrible. Let's duck our head in the back seat here. Doesn't really look like it's been used too much. Pretty clean leather. It's got the rear controls for the AC and your cup holder and ashtray there. I mean, with the exception of just some minor paint scuffs, and a lot of it kind of just looks like tree sap or dirt. That's what we're dealing with here. I'm going to do the body inspection, then we're going to go back and inspect the underside. This rear mat has a little staining on the mat, but the carpet's flawless underneath, as you can tell. Looking good, looking good. Rear bumper straight as an arrow. It's not dented in, beat in. It's got the nice spoiler on top. Frame looks awesome, as you can tell there. It's got minimal surface rust. All in all, pretty clean little 4Runner, guys. I mean, for the age and the miles, it's not as nice as you would want to expect it to be. No damage to report on this side either. I can tell you this right there is unpainted. I'm just pointing stuff out for you. It's black on the driver's side, so at some point that little bumper trim cap has been replaced. And there's a dent on this front bumper here. There we go. I found one. That chrome piece has a little bend in it from, looks like hitting a street sign or something maybe, or whoopsie daisies. Alright, let's get underneath this beast real quick and do my best to show you what we got going on here, guys. Just kind of showing you anywhere and everywhere the metal goes and the kind of rust you're going to be looking for when you come to check it out. I know it's kind of dark and I'm just kind of working with what I got, so bear with me. Try to give you guys as much knowledge in these videos so you don't have to second guess whether it's the right one for you or not. Mostly just looks like minor surface rust. I mean, I know it has it. Like that skid plate for the... It's rusty, but it's not rusted out like rotten and holy or anything. But there is some surface rust going around. But for a Midwest truck, definitely looks nice. It doesn't look like it's just been sitting out in the snow its entire life. Super clean on this side. That's it, guys. I hope this video answered all your questions. We're down here in Kansas City, Missouri, right where I-35 meets I-70, 816 Diesel. Head over to 816diesel.com for pics, video. Clearly you've seen the video. Pictures, VIN number, pricing, anything you might have a question on, you should be able to find it at 816diesel.com. Give us a shout, 816-298-7030, or you can call or text me direct. My name's Cameron, 913-735-3748. All this info is over at 816diesel.com. Appreciate your time. Have a great weekend out there, guys.